Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock a Ford Expedition. First, the simplest way is using your key fob. Just press the unlock button. If your key fob battery is dead or the vehicle battery is low, you can find a small physical key hidden inside the fob. Press the release button, pull out the key, and insert it into the driver's door keyhole to manually unlock it. Additionally, many Expeditions feature a 5-digit keypad on the driver's door for convenient keyless entry. For a more advanced approach, the Ford Pass app offers excellent remote capabilities. If your Expedition is equipped with Ford Pass Connect and the app is activated, you can remotely lock or unlock your doors from virtually anywhere using your smartphone. Simply open the app, navigate to your vehicle screen, and tap the lock or unlock icon. This feature also allows you to check your vehicle's status, providing peace of mind and convenience. If your keys are locked inside or lost, don't panic. You can find your factory 5-digit keypad code in your owner's manual or on a sticker on the body control module. Alternatively, with 2 working key fobs, you can often retrieve the code through your vehicle's display. If these options aren't available, professional roadside assistance or a certified locksmith can safely unlock your Expedition, typically costing between $60 and $150 for lockout service. To ensure you're never locked out, always keep a spare key in a safe, accessible place, perhaps with a trusted friend or family member. Avoid attempting to use DIY tools like a Slim Jim, as these can easily damage your vehicle's internal wiring or airbags, leading to costly repairs. Regularly check your key fob battery and your Expedition's main battery to prevent unexpected lockouts. Being prepared saves time, money, and frustration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.